The meteor was thinking he was playing in Little Cloud when Pluto piped in and said, "Nope, you're in the wrong galactic tree." Shall we explore this together? Okay. The, thumb forward, the, meteor, rock, bring it up to the sky, tap it for rock, and then kind of like the M hand, but make it streak through the air like a meteor. Was, is, in past tense, was, thinking, think-ing. Take your finger and point it right here, bring it down into a Y hand, thinking, think-ing, thinking. He, just your first finger, palm in, point your finger to the opposite side. He was playing, Y hands, shake them side to side like this, and then ing, playing, in, put your support hand in your lead hand, in, little, cloud. And you just have soft hands here, kind of curled C hands, little, and like you have clouds in your hands. Bounce them out. Cloud, when. So your lead hand finger goes around your support hand finger when. If you were looking at it straight on, it would look like you were going around the clock. When. In this case, it goes out, down, and in. So when. Pluto. So here you have your fingers and your thumb together, and it is the sun classifier hand. Then you have a P hand and your little Pluto circling down here. Pluto. Piped, P hands, put them together so your thumbs are kind of sliding back and forth as you go forward alternatingly. Piped, past tense, piped, in, and. Open your hand on your opposite side and close it on your same side. And, said. Tap your finger twice on the same side of your mouth, right here, well, under your mouth. Tap it twice for say, and past tense is said. Nope. This is no. Your two fingers come down and touch your thumb for no. Now, when you come down, turn it into a P for nope. Your. You are. The contraction is your. In, the, wrong. Take your Y hand and flip your pinky across so that it starts pointing up and then it points to the opposite side. So, wrong. Galactic. G hands, And you're going to focus on the wrist area. You're going to bring them around each other and then end on the wrists. So galaxy, 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 galactic, galactic, C hand, galactic, galactic, tree. Your lead hand elbow rests on the back of your support hand fingers. And you have a 5 hand, and it's going to go side to side like it's a tree. 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 Okay, are you ready to say it? Here we go. The meteor was thinking he was playing in little cloud when Pluto piped in and said, "Nope, you're in the wrong galactic tree." Or the meteor was thinking he was playing in little cloud when Pluto piped in and said, "Nope, you're in the wrong galactic tree."